Welcome to our guide on essential road signs for your driving test. Whether you're preparing for your exam or just refreshing your knowledge, this video covers 50 key road signs every driver should recognize. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on important driving tips. Let's get started. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, this sign marks a parking area for hikers. It designates a space specifically for those heading out on trails or nature walks. A side road ahead sign warns that a smaller road is approaching from either the left or right, requiring drivers to be alert for merging vehicles. When you see this sign, know that ridden or accompanied horses are prohibited. This means horseback riders or those leading horses cannot enter this road. A school crossing is ahead, meaning children may be crossing the street. Drivers must slow down and stay vigilant. This sign marks the school bus entrance. It indicates where school buses enter for parking or student drop-offs. What does this sign mean? B. Side road ahead. Have you seen this sign before? A. Parking for hikers. Do you recognize this sign? B. School bus entrance. A cautionary road narrows sign means the driving lanes will become more confined ahead. Reduce speed and stay centered in your lane. Approaching a curve with a crossroad to the right, drivers should expect an intersection along the bend. Proceed carefully to avoid unexpected merging. A hump bridge is coming up. This raised structure may have limited clearance, so drivers should slow down when crossing. The crossroads with parallel tracks on the left sign warns that a railway runs alongside the approaching intersection. Be cautious of trains when turning. The road ends ahead, as marked by the end of motor road sign. This means it may transition into a non-paved path or restricted area. A checkerboard both direction sign signals alternating traffic flow. It's commonly found on one-lane roads where vehicles take turns passing. When exiting, pay attention to the exit speed sign. It sets the speed limit for safely navigating off ramps and junctions. What does this sign indicate? C. Crossroads with parallel tracks, left. Can you identify this sign? B. End of motor road. What is the purpose of this sign? A. Road narrows. Drawbridge sign indicates a movable bridge that raises or lowers for boat traffic. Drivers should be prepared to stop if the bridge is in operation. At the next junction, a T intersection sign means drivers must turn left or right, as the road does not continue forward. Cyclists have priority on this route for pedal cycles only. Motorized vehicles are not allowed beyond this point. This road prohibits trucks carrying water-polluting substances. These vehicles must take an alternate route to protect environmental safety. A wildlife warning sign for an elk area means elk frequently cross or roam nearby. Drive with caution, especially at dawn and dusk. A left lane ends sign means drivers must merge right, as the leftmost lane will no longer be available. A filter and turn sign directs specific lanes for turning. Drivers should follow the designated lanes to avoid traffic disruptions. Have you encountered this sign? B. No trucks carrying water-polluting substances. What does this sign represent? A. Drawbridge. Do you know this sign? B. Left lane ends. Roads marked with a with-flow cycle lane have a designated bicycle lane that moves in the same direction as traffic. Be cautious when approaching a series of bends ahead, also known as a Z-bend. These winding curves require slower speeds and controlled steering. The two-way bicycle lane crossing sign warns drivers that cyclists will be crossing from both directions. Reduce speed and yield if necessary. A bison area sign means large wild animals may be present. Bison can be unpredictable, so proceed carefully. When you see a yield to oncoming traffic sign, you must give way to vehicles approaching from the opposite direction. The cattle area sign warns that cows may be crossing or grazing near the road. Slow down and be prepared to stop. What information does this sign provide? C. Series of bends ahead, Z-bend sign. What is shown on this sign? B. Yield to oncoming traffic. How does this sign affect drivers? C. With flow cycle lane. On highways, a left lane exit sign indicates that an exit ramp is accessible from the left lane rather than the usual right. In snowy conditions, a snow chains required sign means all vehicles must install snow chains for safer traction. A junction on a bend sign indicates an intersection located along a curve, requiring extra caution when merging or turning. In France, a turning right on red is prohibited sign means drivers must wait for a green light before turning right. A no waiting sign means stopping is not allowed, even temporarily. This rule is often in effect to keep traffic moving smoothly. Entering a 20-mile-per-hour zone, drivers must reduce their speed to meet the strict limit. These zones are typically found in residential or school areas. A reverse curve with a crossroad to the right sign warns of a road that bends in one direction before curving the opposite way, with an intersection in between. The dead-end street sign means the road does not continue. Drivers should avoid this route unless they intend to turn around. Uncontrolled intersections have no traffic lights or signs. Drivers must use caution and follow right-of-way rules. What should drivers be aware of with this sign? B. Junction on a bend. What message does this sign communicate? A. Reverse curve with crossroad. What should drivers do when they see this sign? B. Uncontrolled intersections. Goat area sign warns of potential wildlife crossings. These animals may appear suddenly, so be prepared to stop. A bike lane sign indicates a designated roadway specifically for cyclists. Motor vehicles should not enter this lane. When approaching a side road at an acute angle to the right, drivers should be aware of merging traffic from a sharp angle. The air traffic sign may indicate low-flying aircraft or the proximity of an airport. Be cautious of sudden noise distractions. A snowmobile route sign directs riders to an area designated for snowmobile use. These trails are separate from standard roads. A no littering sign means disposing of trash in this area is prohibited, often to protect the environment. If you need assistance, the breakdown assistance sign indicates the location of a roadside help service. Horseback riders are not permitted on roads with a no equestrian sign. This ensures safety for both riders and drivers. A workers ahead sign warns of road work or maintenance crews. Reduce speed and be prepared for lane changes. What restriction does this sign enforce? C. Bike lane. What does this sign alert drivers to? B. Breakdown assistance. What change does this sign indicate? A. Workers ahead. The picnic area sign marks a designated space where travelers can stop and enjoy an outdoor meal. The traffic merges onto the main carriageway sign warns drivers that vehicles from a ramp or side road will be entering their lane. A tow-away zone sign means illegally parked vehicles will be removed at the owner's expense. Parking here is strictly enforced. This sign marks the Trans-Canada Highway. It designates a route that is part of Canada's national road network. A route to the left sign indicates a mandatory left turn or directional change in the roadway. The trailer camping sign directs travelers to a site where trailers and RVs are permitted for overnight stays. Finally, a reserved bicycle lane sign marks a lane strictly for cyclists. Motorists should not drive or park in this lane. That brings us to the end of our guide on essential road signs for your driving test. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more driving tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.